Hi everyone, Danny Jose here, DIY guy with another do-it-yourself video, and this time it's to how to successfully crack open a hard-boiled egg. Now, it's so hard sometimes to crack this open. I sometimes people will crack it and then try to peel it, and sometimes you get lucky and you get a nice clean egg, but then the membrane starts to peel off of it. Now, the easiest way and the fastest way, and this comes out, big shout out to Tammy Scar for showing me this, but it's so easy. Take a spoon and you basically peel it just a little bit here on the side, and you put the spoon right underneath the membrane, and you work your spoon through the membrane, and voila, it's nice and clean. Let's do that again. So basically, crack on the side, peel a little bit, right? Take the spoon, and then you don't even have to try, you just like, oh. And you kind of just work your spoon around the membrane, and then you got a nice peeled egg.